What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin. Before we get started, though, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, hit that subscribe button for me, as well as sharing this video with your friends. And by the way, if you enjoy these videos, you guys, I am uploading 5 days a week now on this channel. So like I said, make sure you're a subscriber. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So starting off here with the 4 hour on Dogecoin, you guys can see that we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, and then we actually got an ABC correction as well, A, B, C wave back down, and then now we've started to double bottom here, and price has started to break out. So we're actually starting to potentially make a low, to make a higher low off this level. So in other words, if prices continue to rally, in other words, if they continue to climb here on the smaller time frame, and we break anywhere above this previous high, then this whole move right here was a higher low. So we got a higher high up here and then a higher low down here, which means that our larger degree uptrend is continuing. Or in other words, on the bigger time frames, bigger than the 4 hour, we're continuing our uptrend. The peak of this level was 15 cents. So if we break above 15 cents, then we've officially made a higher high and a higher low in the big picture on Dogecoin, which could mean a big picture trend reversal, or in other words, the end of a bear market. So these are important things to watch, you guys. That 15-cent level is a very, very key level with Dogecoin. As we break above that level, we essentially confirm that the bear market is over. And so right now is really exciting times to be watching the markets. As you guys can see, prices have been climbing. I bought Dogecoin basically right here in this dip. Very, very, very lucky to get a great opportunity to add more Dogecoin into the dip. And I'm glad that I did. Already starting to see profit on this position, and I believe that I will see a lot more profit. This isn't financial advice. This is never financial advice on this channel. It's obviously my trading journal and what I personally see in the charts. The reason why I make these videos is because of certain setups that I am making money on, and, just sharing those setups with you guys so that you guys can also make money on these setups. And when it comes to something like Dogecoin, I put money into Dogecoin because I believe that I'm going to have a huge profit. It's pretty simple. The methods, the formulas, the tools that we use to predict the markets are all based on what can we use to find the best opportunities? What can we use to make the most money? And yeah, so that's definitely what we're doing here with Dogecoin, why we're buying the dip down here, why a lot of people might not buy Dogecoin because they get scared of a correction, but we're willing to buy a correction. We're willing to buy when something is down 90% because, we've gotten pretty used to buying something down 95% with a really good ABC correction setup and some other things that we look for, and then turning it around into 10x or 15x or 45x your money. And when you 45 times your money, that's a pretty life-changing situation. Something you do want to do again and something you want to maybe share with other people as well. So 10 cents per Doge, if we get above 15 cents, we make a bigger picture, higher high and higher low in this market and really start to confirm that a big picture uptrend could be starting. Because this bear market from 70 cents down to about 6 cents where nobody was buying Doge except for us, by the way, in our VIP group, and among other places, we were picking up Dogecoin down here where nobody else was buying. And we already saw a huge profit when it went to 16 cents. And we believe we'll see a lot more profit as it continues to go up here and continues to reverse out of this big bear market. A lot of people see something like this, like a crash in the market, and they get scared. But if you want to be a good trader, what we do is we train ourselves to see that as something, hey, that is a good time to buy. That is a time that we need to be looking at this as potentially undervalued. We know that Dogecoin has a lot of potential for a larger market cap in the big picture. And we know that people selling it at 5 cents are definitely oversold, definitely being illogical about its true valuation, and that things go overvalued and they go undervalued. And so positioning yourself in that undervalued phase is what professionals do. And even if you were to buy Dogecoin, let's say you bought all your Dogecoin at 16 cents, you might have felt like you were a little bit late or a little bit too early to the uptrend, right? Because prices went lower. But to be honest with you, that's maybe a little bit too early. And I did buy quite a bit of Doge right there, to be frankly honest with you guys. But it's not too early. It's not too early because of the fact that if prices are going to a big picture reversal, if prices are going to break above their all-time high, pretty much anything below that 20-cent level is undervalued, right? So that 15-cent level is still a pretty good entry. Prices already broke out to 15 cents. If you would have bought at 15 cents, you could have sold at break even there in the recent pump. So it's not a bad entry. But obviously, you do want to always get better and better at your entries to get the best possible entry on those setups. But here with Dogecoin, I do expect a big picture reversal, and I do expect to see prices break out. So yeah, you guys, I love this setup on Doge at 10 cents. I believe that investing down here will be greatly rewarding for anybody that has the patience to do it. And that's what I'm personally doing. It's already started to pay off. I believe it will pay off more. And I figured making a Dogecoin video would be really valuable for you guys today. So thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love you. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. We have the Mastermind package and the VIP package. The Mastermind is live webinars. So that's a great way to start learning in a live situation with me in live calls every single Saturday for 3 months. And the VIP is, of course, the signals and the community and the learning videos for the VIP. So reach out via email to get started with one of these two programs, and I'll help you guys get started today and love to have you part of the team. So thank you guys for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.